Hey, so I'm extremely sleepy right now. I'm basically just gonna sleep after this. But yeah, so that's why this is gonna be a really short, practical, straight to the point guide video on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, anything. This is February 24th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 231 of consistently helping people build consistency. So, how do you actually stay consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, blah, 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 right? One of the best things to do is to just clearly define what does it means to exercise, what does it means to study. Because notice, most of us, we don't really have a plan, okay? We don't really have a plan. We only say that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be exercising consistently, but have no plan whatsoever. And we basically, since we don't really know what's the thing that we need to do, we just basically maybe like do, I don't know, 20 push-ups on the first day, 10 push-ups the second day, and then on the third day, we kind of busy and we don't really have a clear goal. So we say that, oh, you know what, I'm just gonna be doing it tomorrow because today's I'm pretty busy. And then, basically we forgot to exercise again because, like, yeah, we don't really have a clear plan. Like, how can we even be consistent at doing something if we don't even know what is the thing that we are going to be doing on the first place? Okay, so the thing that we wanted to be doing here is to create a clear definition of what is considered to be exercising, what is considered to be studying. Okay, so for example, instead of just saying that, oh yeah, you know what, I'm going to be exercising every single day, we say to ourselves that, oh yeah, at least every single day I'm going to be doing 5 minutes of running, maybe some rest days on weekends. And if I'm sick, well, it's okay to take some rest days, okay? Even, oh yeah, I must take some rest days when I'm sick, okay? But 5 minutes of running is the bare minimum. So notice the plan that I'm making here is that I'm making the thing specific and measurable, okay? So 5 minutes of running, 5 minutes is measurable, and running is specific, right? So this way, okay, how is this going to help me in being consistent? Two reasons. Firstly, I don't have to spend the mental energy and the time anymore on a day-to-day basis deciding what is the thing that I'm going to be doing, okay? And when I do the thing, I can clearly know that, oh yeah, this is my goal, okay? 5 minutes of running at least, okay? But then the second reason is why it's effective, because here's the thing. When I just set a clear goal like this, and I actually do this, it's gonna make, give myself some sense of confidence, because the thing that's going to happen here is that, oh yeah, I set the goal of running for 5 minutes every single day when I'm healthy, when I'm not sick. Oh yeah, and take some rest days on weekends. Oh yeah, it's pretty specific though. I actually do that thing. I actually do the 5 minutes of running. I did it. Okay. Well, I've actually done the thing that I said that I'm gonna be doing. Okay. So it's kind of built some sense of confidence that, yeah, I've said the thing that I've done the thing that I said I'm gonna be doing, right? And it's not only for one day. I've been consistently doing this thing for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. And the thing that's going to happen here is that we are gonna be building some confidence because, hey, I've been consistently doing this thing for the past 7 days. I'm also going to be doing it on the eighth day, on the ninth day, on the 10th day, and so on and so on. Oh, and yeah, for the authenticity post today, February 24th, 2025, and Memezar posted a 2 weeks off post. Okay? 2 weeks off meme last 24 hours.